Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we're diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has identified NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.51. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has faced a decline of -9.13%. This equates to an average daily loss of -2.28% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 8.05% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 8.05% to 43.89%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -1.9%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -11.73% to 76.06% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.51 and $7.01. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock price took a fall of 5.69% on Thursday. The NIO stock price fell by 5.69% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, dropping from $4.22 to $3.98. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.87%, ranging from a day low of $3.88 to a day high of $4.03. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 15.86% over this period. Volume increased on the last day by 95 million shares, albeit alongside falling prices. This may signal an early warning, and the risk could slightly increase over the next couple of days. In total, 156 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $621.23 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $7.71, while the lowest price was $3.61. Currently, the price is 48.38%, or $3.73, below the 52-week high, and 94.06%, or $63.01, below the all-time high reached on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO is currently facing challenges as it navigates new developments affecting its stock performance. President Trump announced a 25% tariff on auto imports, primarily targeting foreign automakers. While NIO, as a Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer, may not be directly affected, this could escalate trade tensions and influence overall market sentiment, potentially impacting stock prices. Recently, NIO announced a share offering to raise approximately $4.03 billion Hong Kong dollars, which has resulted in significant declines in pre-market trading, following a disappointing quarterly report that fell short of both earnings and revenue expectations. This capital raise is intended to support ongoing research and development amid growing competition. Analysts remain cautious, with consensus ratings trending toward a hold. However, the mean price target of $5.66 suggests over 35% upside potential in the next year. On the operational side, NIO is witnessing notable growth with vehicle deliveries and innovative product launches, including the Onvo L60 SUV. Yet, challenges such as substantial net losses and ongoing cash flow concerns keep the stock outlook uncertain. Long-term projections indicate significant upside, with a potential stock price of $25.89 by the year 2030, driven by market expansion and technological advancements. Overall, while immediate reactions may be negative due to short-term financial difficulties, NIO's promising product pipeline and market potential could cultivate positive sentiment in the longer term. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned NIO stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell designation. Regarding return on investment, the analysts continue to rate the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The NIO stock displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there's a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. Should there be upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $4.48 and $4.50. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 11, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 23.75%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, and the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and if conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock has the potential for substantial movements throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.15 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 3.87%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 4.60%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and an increased risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of June 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates predict a loss of 13 cents per share. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $4.36. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a key point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Exercise caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such scenarios. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest transaction occurred on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Incorporated conducted an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is NIO stock a good buy? The NIO stock presents several negative signals, and despite a seemingly positive trend, we anticipate that NIO will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 28th of March, we expect NIO to open lower by approximately 1.67 cents, starting at $3.96. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.